Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a piece of gear designed to give the DJI M30 series drones a powerful voice. The DJI H10 Matrix speaker. This isn't just any speaker. It's described as an extreme combined pager, built specifically for the M30 platform. It boasts an aviation aluminum alloy shell, giving it a robust, yet lightweight feel, and it attaches seamlessly using a PSDK standard quick-release bracket. What really sets the H10 apart is its audio capability. It utilizes two sets of tweeter compression drivers, essentially doubling the power output. The manufacturer states it can reach a maximum sound pressure level of 125 decibels when playing music. That kind of power means it can be heard clearly from up to a kilometer away. It's impressive how such a relatively small body can pack such an amazing energy punch. Beyond just being loud, the H10 is incredibly versatile. It supports real-time shouting and recording uploading directly through the DJI Pilot 2 app, making communication from the air straightforward. For pre-recorded messages, it offers TDS playback, supporting both Chinese and English dialects, and even multi-language and local dialects, which is a significant feature for global operations. It also handles standard audio playback, supporting formats like MP3, WAV, and FLAC. You can load these files onto its generous 32 gigabytes of built-in storage. Getting files onto the device is easy too. You can connect it to a computer via USB, and it functions like a standard U disk, making audio storage and firmware updates convenient. The H10 is designed for tight integration with the M30. It features a controllable PTZ configuration and supports camera PTZ linkage, meaning you can potentially direct the sound precisely where you need it while keeping your camera focused. This level of integration with the drone system, especially supporting real-time calls through Pilot 2, makes it a powerful tool for various applications, whether at public safety, search and rescue, or industrial inspections where clear communication is critical. Overall, the DJI H10 Matrix speaker appears to be a highly capable and well-integrated accessory for the DJI M30. Its combination of extreme volume, versatile playback options, real-time communication features, robust build, and seamless integration makes it a compelling option for M30 operators who need to project their voice or audio messages from the sky.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.